How to know if someone blocked you on LinkedIn. To know if someone has blocked you on LinkedIn or not, this video is for you. To check it, first of all, log into your LinkedIn account and go through your home page. Once you are on your home page, on the top left, you will see searching bar. Simply search for that particular person on that search button. If you see their profile and you follow each other, then that means they have not blocked you from LinkedIn. But if you don't see their profile on the searching list, then that means that particular person has blocked you on LinkedIn. In this way, you can easily find out if someone has blocked you on LinkedIn or not. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.